Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a first look at the newly released Kobe 1 Protro Undefeated PE. This is the first review on YouTube. No one else has done this so far. The shoes actually were picked up today. I hit the raffle on the Nike sneakers app. So how this worked was you had to be in a specific area in LA, and this one was the Brea store. So you had to be within a 2-mile radius, be on the Nike sneakers app, and hit the raffle. Luckily I won it. And we got the shoes here, so I'm going to be reviewing it for you guys. So thank you and enjoy. First thing I want to start off with is the box. It's a regular Kobe 1, all black Protro box. One thing they switched up is the tag. So as you guys can see, it says Kobe 1 Protro Undefeated PE. Retail $180. Once again, this only released through the Nike sneakers app at the Undefeated Brea store. In comparison with the regular Kobe 1 Protro box, this is like the same thing pretty much. If you put them side by side, I'll show you guys real quick. The only difference, as you guys could tell, this one has like that different like label on it. On the regular pairs, it just says Kobe 1 Protro Undefeated. Same retail price, so no difference there. Alright, so getting inside the box, I already obviously looked at these, so here we have the sneakers. Inside, just regular white paper, no design or anything. Would have been cool if they did like a Laker themed design or something like that, but that's that. And then we have this that comes with the sneakers, Undefeated, and then the Kobe and Undefeated signs. Leather, pretty cool touch. I like that. Getting right into the shoes themselves. As you guys have seen on previous Kobe 1 Protro Undefeateds, it's just a camo, all camo upper. And this one is actually with a Laker design on it. So it's the Lakers colorways. LeBron James debuted these a few weeks back on his Instagram. When I saw those, I was like, wow, I gotta have these. And, luckily hit on the sneakers app, as I mentioned. So what happened was there was 4 different colorways. There was this, the red one, which was a Santa Monica exclusive, a dark green camo, which was a Silver Lake exclusive, and then there was an orange camo, which was a Phoenix exclusive, and then there was these, obviously the La Brea one. These are the most sought after. Right now they're going for about $700 on the resale market. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at these and see if you guys what your opinions on it, and if you guys want to buy a pair, hopefully this helps. So starting off, we have the as I mentioned, the yellow camo upper. Get a better look at that. We have a black Nike swoosh, black carbon fiber, and then the midsole is all white. And then here we have the purple Undefeated logo again, so the Laker colors, yellow and purple. On the back, we have Undefeated written in white. And then we have a black ankle collar. On the medial side, again, we have the carbon fiber. And then we have another hit of carbon fiber right here. And then again, all white midsole. And then we have black stitching right here. Getting into the tongue, it's an all leather tongue. We have the Nike swoosh going up all the way into the Kobe and the Protro signs. Outsole, all white, Zoom Air outsole with the black carbon fiber and the Nike swoosh. And let's get right into the insoles. So, guys, a better look at these. Insole on the left pair, once again, it's the Kobe Bryant logo with a orangish insole, I like to say. And then on the right pair, we have Undefeated logo, again like a peachy orange insole. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So my honest opinions on this sneaker, it is really cool, I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, it's not my favorite colorway. I will show you. Well, I did a review on the 10 pairs, the olive pair, the flight jacket that released. That was my favorite, but obviously not many people can afford that. So my actual favorite one was the first one that released, which is this right here, the green camo. Material wise, these sneakers are, you know, pretty much the exact same material used on the midsole, the tongue, the upper. The only thing they really changed on this is that they went from a green woodland camo to a, you know, yellow camo. Yeah, these definitely do stand out more, the yellow pair, but I think for everyday use and even just like looks wise, I do prefer this green pair. But again, you know, with the nature of like the sneaker market, these are a lot more limited and a lot more hyped, and the fact that LeBron debuted them and, you know, picked up a lot of hype. So luckily I got them for retail. If I didn't get them for retail, I don't think I would pay resale for these sneakers. But, you know, if someone's a big Laker fan and they really want Kobe's, you know, why not? It's a very like good collector's item. These I think I'm not gonna wear, to be honest. Like, it's really cool to have, but it's not a sneaker that I could, you know, match with a lot of things. I do like wearing like flashy sneakers, but this one in particular, I just think I'm gonna, like, you know, hold on to it for a little. But yeah, overall, so my opinions, very, very nice sneaker. No complaints. Nike killed it with these. If you guys really want it, I do suggest going ahead and buying it. Like, prices are bound to go up, especially with LeBron on LA and it's a Kobe model. You know, like, the hype is just gonna keep building for these as, you know, more players wear them, more celebrities wear them, and you know how it goes. So if you want them, quality and everything is on point. Colorway is dope. The whole, you know, how it came to be is really dope, like, in my opinion. How they only released in one like area is really cool. So if you guys are a sneaker collector, a Kobe fan, a Laker fan, a LeBron fan, whatever fan, I do suggest you go and buy these right now, as the prices are gonna go to, I think, to around like 500 to 550 within the next week. After that, they'll just jump up. So yeah, man, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up. It goes a long way, and subscribe to the channel. Hope this video was helpful to you guys in making a decision if you want the sneakers or not. And other than that, thank you for watching, and until next time.